就 C 啦 ，one two left hand 左手 ，one two three 呢個 A 嚟嘅 ，one two three four 咧就係呢個 F 音嚟嘅，係啦，因為佢係低音譜號嚟㗎嘛，咁所以你用左手彈嘅喎呢一個。你要睇下屬於邊一行咧，即係邊隻手咧，你就睇下邊一行低音譜號呢啲咧，全部用左手嘅。咁所以你由 C 開始咧，到呢個 C 都係左手嘅，明唔明？咁你擺翻去手指公喺 middle C 先。好，你由個 C 開始啊。One two three four one two three 呢個 middle C 嚟嘅喎，個手指公去 three four 得唔得？嗱咁樣而家淨係練咗第一行先，咁我咧用個拍子機拍咗一次俾你，咁我彈一次俾你聽得唔得？Three four one B 嚟嘅係 one two three， 你呢個咧 left hand 左手，因為咧 bass clef 低音譜號嘅 ，OK， 用左手手指公 one two three four 係啦，跟住就 one two three 呢個 F 嚟嘅 two three four one two three four 咧，記唔記得要 hold 住㗎嗰個 four， 因為佢係兩拍嚟㗎嘛。嗱呢個我彈一彈俾你聽 ，one two three four，OK， 你彈翻呢個小節啊。One two three four good， 跟住咧低音譜號嘅左手 one two three four， 呢個係 F 嚟嘅喎 ，three four one two three， 你呢個手指公要左手手指公 four three four， 好，你彈翻呢兩個小節先。練翻好呢兩個小節，因為咧你由 A O F 咧比較多時候咧會錯嘅。呢個低音譜號嚟嘅喎，所以咧左手開始嘅手指 one two three four， 彈完要放嘅，彈完要放 one two three four one two three four three four， 彈完放咗 G 嘅 one two three four three four 係啦，好啲啦，好，而家試下再一口氣彈翻兩個小節 C， 嗱，今次我數拍子 one two three four one two three four OK， 好，到你咯喎，呢兩個小節啊，嗱呢個 three four 係啦，而家呢個啱嘅，好啦，跟住咧，好，等一等先。如果咧而家你彈咗呢兩個小節得唔得？因為咧可能比較困難咧，我哋索性兩個小節練啦，未必一次6個 ，O 唔 OK？ 因為我見到你咧，我打喊路啦。左手彈嘅，因為咧低音好，你個人坐好先。而家見到好似企咗喺度。好，而家再彈多一次呢兩個小節，音彈係個手指啫。OK， 手指要用啱嘅手嘅。呢兩個小節再彈一次。One two three one two three。高音譜號一開始，咁呢行咧高音譜號嘅，低音譜 three four 好啲啦，跟住咧呢兩個小節咯喎 ，three four 得唔得？好啦，跟住呢個幾好喎，呢兩個小節咧。呢個咧係低音譜號嚟嘅喎，係啦 ，two three four two three four 小節都得啦。咁咧試下6個小節咯喎。3 4 1 2 3 4，呢個E音嚟嘅。1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4，good。跟住咧要望下邊隻手嘅。1 2 3 4，呢個 F 嚟嘅喎。1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4，好，彈翻呢2個小節先。我想你呢2個小節咧彈下。1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4，淨係呢2個小節咧彈得幾好。而家試下咧接埋前面2個小節佢 ，OK？ 由 E 音開始彈到嚟呢個 C 音。1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 好，你不如而家由呢個 D 開始試下，因為咧2個 4 嗱，不如今次咧試下咧 C A C A C A 慢少少 C A F 呢個嚟嘅。D D E 慢少少 C A F G G C D D E C A F
G
G F E D慢少嗱，我望住你彈好唔好？
D D E C A